My experience here in Zambia happened that one of the most interesting stories. First of all, this gentleman married a Zambian. He tried many times, more than 8 times in Europe. And he came to such a very simple clinic, a 3-bedroom house. And consultation patients used to sit outside the garden. And yet he tried, and his wife became pregnant. That's an amazing. And eventually he built this hospital that you see. That's very interesting. Another one interesting was a couple who been married for maybe 10 years, 12 years. The man was azoospermic, and the wife, they've tried many times in other clinics. So he came to us. We told him, look, you man, your sperm, they are not in ejaculate. So the only way is to come and we make a small cut and retrieve the sperms. So this, he couldn't believe. We removed the sperm, injected to his wife's eggs, and she became pregnant with twins. So that was an amazing story also, and they couldn't believe. And these people have been going to witch doctors and so on. And number 3, he was a patient who I did laparoscopy. First time laparoscopy in Zambia. In 2017. She's been married for about 15 years. A young lady, about 29. I found she had some problem within the pelvic cavity. I removed them by laparoscopy. Laparoscopy is a keyhole surgery without cutting. I told her, you go and wait for 6 months. You try, and surprising, she became pregnant after 6 months. She delivered a boy child, and that was another thing I never forget. I did laparoscopy. I didn't do IVF, and then since that time, so many people, by doing laparoscopy, they've been helped. So that's a very interesting story. My name is Dr. Edward Tamale Sali. I'm a fertility specialist, also a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist.